Welcome to PaidToday, how to share a draft invoice with a client. First thing you need to do, open up your invoices tab here. Be sure that you've created the invoice. And once you've created it, we can see that we have one here. It's a draft status, and this is not shared with them, as we can see here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, click on the edit. And up here on the top right, we want to go share draft with client. We're going to go ahead and turn that on, and then we're going to save these invoice details. And once we do that, we can go back to our invoices list here, and we can see that number 46 has been shared, and that they've and it looks like the recipient has viewed it at least once, or you can see the eyeball here, which means it has been shared with them and is visible by them in their client portal. So any of your clients that you send a draft to, if they log in through the client portal, they can go ahead and view the draft invoice and then get back with you and say, yeah, everything looks good, or let's take that off, make changes. You guys go ahead and you do that, and then when you're ready and everything looks good, go ahead and just hit the send invoice button.